Hi, I'm Rochelle.
Hi, I'm Valentina,
And we are the joint chairs of the PTA. Just a reminder that we have two amazing events for you. We have one on the 11th of December, which is Key Stage 1 Winter Disco, and on the 12th of December is Key Stage 2 Winter Disco.
There are two ways to buy. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we will be in the playground selling the ticket for our school disco. Or if you don't see us in the playground or you don't have time, you still have time until Friday to put £3 in an envelope with your child name and hand it to your class teacher.
For your £3, you will get a drink, a packet of crisps, and a cake. Please bring a small amount of change, as there will be other items on the night for your children to buy. Items such as glow sticks, glitter tattoos, and a few extra treats. All money raised will be going towards a new kitchen for the children. As you can see, it is a non-working kitchen at the moment. What we really want to do with this money is to revamp our kitchen and allow our children to have that joy of cooking once again. Please support this amazing event. Your children will absolutely love it, and it would really benefit our school and our children with refurbishing this amazing kitchen.
Please don't forget tomorrow to buy your tickets or by Friday. We look forward to see everyone.